This GoPro camera remote gives you 3 buttons here. One controls the record, start, stop. So right now I don't have a memory card in there, which is why it beeped and didn't start recording, but this would normally start and stop recording. Then you have this preset change button here. And what that does is it changes the preset that I have for different shooting modes. So right now it's in cinematic. If I push it again, it toggles through all the different presets like slow-mo, standard, activity. Now the power button here also doubles as the camera mode switch. So this toggles between the different camera modes. Right now it's in video mode. If I press it, it changes to photo mode. If I press it again, it changes to time warp mode. And if I press it one more time, it switches back to video mode. Now, this wrist control also gives you the battery level, and you can see that the controller, the remote controller RC, has 90% battery, whereas the camera, the GP GoPro, has 98% battery. It charges via USB-C, so you just have to open up that cover there, and there's a USB charging port there. And this is Velcro here that goes around your wrist. You can tighten it and adjust it. You could probably also fit this around a handlebar if you wanted to attach it to a scooter or motorcycle, but it's not curved or anything, it's flat, so it may not fit that well on a round handlebar. But definitely on a wrist, it may be a little bit tight if you're trying to fit this over a thick coat, if you're trying to use this in outdoors for snowboarding, skiing type activity. So just be aware of that. But otherwise, this is a pretty handy remote control, especially if you have your camera mounted on your board, a helmet, somewhere where you can't reach it to access the controls. This gives you a nice readout of what's happening on your camera.